Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by getting the element you want to recolor. Once the DOM is loaded, use document. Get element by ID or document. Query selector to grab it, make sure the selector matches. You do this because JavaScript must target a real element node to change its style. If the selection returns null, nothing will change, so verify placement and ID. This is the first actionable step. Obtain a valid element reference. Once done, you can set its style properties directly. Now apply the color by setting element. Style, color or element. Style, background color. This is the only direct JavaScript route to change a rendered color on that element. Use any valid CSS color string, hex, RGB, or named values because the style property expects CSS syntax. You do this inline so the browser updates immediately. Note that inline styles take precedence over regular stylesheet rules, so make sure you understand specificity. Once assigned, the element repaints with your new color. Finish by encapsulating the assignment in a function, then call it or attach it to an event listener so you can change color dynamically. If you need to confirm the result, read window. Get computed style element. Color to see the computed value. Make sure to handle multiple elements with query selector all and loop if needed. If it doesn't work, check DOM readiness, selector spelling, CSS specificity, or console errors. These are the usual causes. Fix them and run the function again.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.